Hi, I'm David Buckingham, and this is my arrangement for solo guitar of Human Nature by Michael Jackson. We're in standard tuning, and we start with a G major chord here. Now, this is the chord, but I put my first finger on the second fret of the second string, just beneath that third finger, so that I can pull off. See? And then we go back to that note, A major chord, and then F major, and we leave that third finger on the fourth string now. So that's then we repeat that. And this time we play harmonics at the 12th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. And that takes us into the first verse, which I'll cover in detail in the next video.